So we are off to look at a boat for an engine. And this has been a super sketchy deal, so I'm not super convinced that this is going to work out, but we're going to go look anyway. I kind of stalked by there earlier before the guy said he was going to be available to try to see what I could see from the street. And I don't even know if the boat that we are particularly looking for is still there. This guy had like 4 boats for sale. One of them had a 454 in it, supposedly good. That's the one that we wanted. And he was wanting like $750 for it. So if it's got a good engine in it, we're gonna grab it and strip it down, get rid of the boat, key, and then maybe try to sell the trailer, make our money back up. So, and then we'll have a good starboard engine for hammer down, which is my 31 footer, which has a locked up starboard right now. So that's what we're doing today. Just got back from getting my fuel filter changed in this truck too, and the whole cab smells like diesel. The guy must have rolled around in here. I don't know. Anyway, onward. Let's see what we run into over here. How do? Oh. Our boy's a little sketchy, ain't he?
I guess that's an understatement.
I talked to him, man, again. He acted like one of the boats was already gone. Somebody go get one of them?
Somebody came yesterday and got one, and they're supposed to come back today and get one. And
Which one did they get?
the big gray one.
That's the one I was after.
Oh, man.
That's all right. Hey, did they look at the engine in that thing?
I think he didn't even want the boat. He just wanted the trailer.
Do you have that guy's contact info?
I don't. Scott does.
He's got his contact?
Yeah.
Okay.
He said that he was just going to dig a big hole and bury the boat. He just wanted the trailer.
The engine's what all I was interested in. Appreciate it. Well, we see how that went. People are so sketchy. So I guess I'm gonna get a hold of this guy and this dude that was selling the boats and find out if he knows the guy that knows how to get in touch with the guy that got the gray boat. So we'll see. What do you think of that? Well, you know. So you got a 454, do you?
Yeah, get over here.
Better get out of the road, little feller.
Yeah.
Good dog.
Sure do, man. Running out of room around here.
I hear that. What's going on, boss?
My buddy's got pulling truck.
Yeah.
They went from big blocks to Hemis.
Yeah.
And this was his spare engine. I bought it off of him the other day, and I brought it here, and I was like, man, I ain't got no place to put this motherfucker.
Well, I need it for my boat.
Oh, okay, there you go.
And it's a Gen 4, ain't it? Got a fuel pump, so.
Yeah.
She turns?
Yeah, it's good, man.
You got a wrench?
Yeah. All right, either that or we flip it over and do it with the flywheel.
Either way.
That'd be easier.
Oh, well, yeah, I didn't even think about it. The damn flywheel's on the ground. It ain't gonna turn like that.
Flip it the other way. That oil ran out on me the other day when I put it on there.
I'm gonna get out of your way.
Let me go get fireboard. Come out of an RV with 60,000 miles.
Well, she's trying now.
Yeah, there ain't nothing wrong with it. Like I said, it only had 60,000 miles on the motor.
Do you know what year it was?
Like 85, 86. 84, I think. It's 84, I think.
84.
Yeah.
Oh, quadra junk.
Yeah, I counted up. I think I got 8 of them.
You got 8 of these?
Yeah. I got a couple, three 427s. I just sold a 69 427 with a 69 Camaro.
Yeah.
And then I just don't really need it.
I feel you.
The other side, numbers on.
There we go.
I got a picture up there.
That's her. 5445.
Yeah. It's 454. It's twice.
That looks newer. What year did you say?
It's 80s, mid 80s.
It looks newer. Or somebody swapped a carb on it.
It looks like it's a newer car.
Yeah.
Clean, all clean.
Electric choke.
Yeah.
Yep, not a heat riser choke on it.
I ran the numbers on it. Yeah, that's the same number, comes up 427.
Yeah, 427, same motor, different crank.
Yeah.
Yeah, different crank.
I bet money's 4-bolt main.
It can go either way.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Most time in RV though, everyone I've ever pulled out of RV had 4-bolt main.
I'd like to get it for less. I'd like to buy it, but I'd like to get it for less.
Hello?
What do you say, little guy? You're a cutie. You are a cutie. You're too cute for your own good. You're too cute for your own good. Spun a main.
Oh, yeah.
Lost oil pressure. Yeah, it's got a catch spot in it.
That's unspotted. That's what it is. It's got a little water.
So, we got our motor out. We got her, where you at? Too tall again. Got our engine out. Got our engine. Bought this used engine. It is, I can't remember, 401 544 5. So it's a pretty standard 454 from 76 to 90. They made them. So pretty. They made a lot of them. That's what I'm saying. It's out of an RV. You should have a pretty healthy cam in it. I have, so far, pulled all the plugs out of it. This thing's sitting in dirt. Like these guys, they didn't take a whole lot of care with it. But if you notice, I pulled all the plugs out of it. Look at them up close here. They all actually look in pretty good shape. You know, don't get me wrong. Like I said, they were pretty rough on this thing. And they, there's the rest of them. Don't mind the oil that's on them. We poured oil down in the cylinders to make sure this engine was freed up so we could spin it. But they were rough on it. They just rolled it over, broke plugs. There's another one that's broke. I mean, these things aren't cheap. Nope, those are fine. Could have ran them if they hadn't broken. But then I scoped the cylinders. All the cylinders look in good shape. Not sure what that is. Big goopy goop of oil there or something. But the cylinders look good. I know it spins over. So that's where we're at. Like this thing came out of an RV, so it's got 4,200 zillion, trillion wires and crap all over it. Vacuum lines, probably smog, pollution controls, and crap and BS that we don't need. That'll be coming off of it. I mean, it's just half this stuff is junk. I'm gonna pull. I want to pull this valve cover off here and see what this valve train looks like. And then we're gonna wrap this up for the day because I've been having no heater. No heater, stay off. What size those are? 16? Yeah, baby. Let's dig into this thing and see what the valve train is. Here. It's all over. And this valve cover even looks alright too. Not bad. Not bad, not bad, not bad, not bad. Oh. does look really good. Let's get this other side off. Vacuum lines. Hoya! Hacha! Don't know what that thing does. Is it gonna keep me from getting about it? Those are horrible on 10s, man. Yeah, this engine looks really good. Pretty happy with this purchase. Bring you over here. Let's check it out. So looking good. Looking real nice. Looking really, really nice here. Good and clean inside. Hydraulic lifter motor, so some of these are going to be loose. Really and truly should be all of them loose unless they're on the lobe. No, I'm happy.